In this video I'm going to show you how to use green screen filter on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram application and here tap on that plus icon and select Reel. There you can create Reels on Instagram, and now here at the right, just beside the record button, you can see all the effects. The green screen effect is now appeared right here, but if you can't find it, you can tap on that icon with stars. That menu will open, and now you can tap here at the left at search icon and type here green screen. Just green is enough. Select green screen and now you can use that filter. So now you see that my background is green, but you can set here an image or any video that you want. So just tap here on add media button, and here you can select some video or some photo. I'll select that screencast, tap here add, and now you see how it works. So you see that background replaced with the video that I selected, and now you know how to create and how to use green screen filter on Instagram. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.